In this video, I am going to show you how you can add chapters in YouTube video comment. But before starting the video, I want you guys to watch this video till the very end so you don't make any mistake while you trying it from yourself. So first of all, you have to open your YouTube. Now you have to select a video which you want to add chapters. Let's say I want to add chapters in my video in comments. Now you have to select a video. Let's say I want to add comments in this video. So for that, first of all, you have to open that video and click on comment section, and now you have to add time 00, and now you have to add colon. After that, you have to add your second, and now you have to add some title for that chapter. Let's say I want to write very good, and now you have to click on this share button. After that, as you can see, the chapter automatically added, and that's how you can add chapters in your own video. So if you find this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.